Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Clarence again. Today's video is squeaky belts on your vehicle, whether it's a truck, car, SUV, or whatever. I went to the auto parts store and I got a can of a belt conditioner or belt dressing. I don't know if you can see that, but I think I paid about $7 or $8 for it. Belts on my Silverado started squeaking, so I figured the best way to fix it is to go ahead and get the belt dressing and put on. And naturally, we're gonna hook up a video, a little short one. I'm spraying it on. Make sure you spray it on with the vehicle turned off. Don't never do it with the vehicle running, because too many things could go wrong. Safety thing. Okay, we're gonna take a break and I'm gonna get to it. Okay, so what I did was I started the vehicle up, and you could hear the belt squeaking. I don't know if you can see it, but you definitely can hear the belt squeaking. And I'm gonna show you the difference between now and after I spray it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pause the camera and spray the belt. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if I can get the camera in position where you can actually see the belt. And this is my spray. Got a little tube on it. And what I'm gonna spray is I'm gonna try to spray the belt and the pulley themselves at the same time. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this. Hopefully you can. And the crankshaft pulley at the bottom has two belts on it, so I'm trying to get to it. Putting a pretty good amount of lubricant on. That one of them belt look like it might be a little frayed, but okay. And this is what I'm using. Just finished spraying. Oh, I'm about to start the vehicle up. When you start it up, make sure nobody's standing around so it don't throw this liquid in the face. Okay, just finished spraying. Now notice the difference in the sound of the vehicle. Was heavily squeaking. I think I might have I may have got it taken care of. Okay, that's pretty much it on squeaky belts. This is what I use. This what's the best way to get that picture in there? It's belt conditioner or belt dressing, and you get it from any parts store, or you can get it from you can order it online. But works real good, stops the squeak. It got a light oil base to it, and it works for me. Other than that, I'm Clarence. Peace. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whether you like it or dislike it. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you at the next one. This is a real short one, easy. I guess as you get older, you don't like doing a lot of heavy work. So I don't do a lot of heavy work, but I do a little bit of work on cars and enjoy doing it. So, peace. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and we'll see you at the next one.